School English is different from real-life English. In this conversation, Alex and Sarah show you how to speak English the way people actually talk, natural, simple, and real. Sarah, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
Why does my English sound like a school textbook?
Because you learned it in school, not in real life.
True, but it feels too formal when I speak.
That's totally normal. Most people sound stiff at first.
So, how do I fix it?
Start using everyday phrases instead of perfect grammar.
What do you mean by everyday phrases?
Things people actually say in daily life.
Can you give an example?
In school, you learn, "How are you doing today?"
Yeah, that sounds familiar.
But in real life, people say, "Hey, what's up?"
Oh, that feels more natural.
Exactly. Shorter is usually better.
What about asking for help?
In school, they teach, "Could you kindly assist me?"
I used to say that.
Real life is simpler. "Can you help me out?"
That sounds way more normal.
See? Real English isn't fancy.
And what about apologies?
In school, "I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience."
Wow, that's long.
Real life? "Sorry about that."
So easy.
That's the whole point.
I think I try too hard to sound correct.
Stop aiming for perfect, aim for natural.
But won't people judge my grammar?
No one cares if you speak clearly and simply.
That actually feels comforting.
Good. You're not in an exam.
How do real-life conversations usually start?
With small talk, super simple lines.
Like what?
"Hey, how's it going?" Or "Long time no see."
I've heard those a lot.
Then start using them.
What about ending conversations?
Easy. "Catch you later," or "See you around."
That sounds cool.
Exactly. It feels friendly and modern.
Do native speakers use complete sentences?
Not always.
Really?
Really. They use shortcuts like wanna, gonna, gotta,
I hear those in movies.
and you can use them too.
But is that okay in formal settings?
In formal settings, stay clear and polite.
But still not too stiff, right?
Right. You can be polite without sounding robotic.
So balance is the key.
Yes. Natural plus respectful.
How do I sound more relaxed when I speak?
Use fillers like, I guess, let me think.
Aren't fillers bad?
Not if you don't overuse them. They make speech natural.
Good to know.
And slow down. Speaking fast doesn't mean fluent.
Can I practice with you anytime?
Of course, Alex.
Thanks. I just want to speak real English, not school English.
And you already are. Look at you now.
Really?
Yes, you're improving with every sentence.
That feels good to hear.
Keep going, and real-life English will become natural for you.
Thanks, Sarah.
Anytime.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Deal.